to bring Jodi Morris on to the program. Hayden and Hayden Agents Inc., which is also part of Pekin Insurance, right, Jodi?
Yes. Hi, Chris. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Good.
Hi, Jodi.
Hi.
Margie's so excited she can say hi to you guys live. Hey.
Hello.
And just so everybody knows, Jodi Morris, you can reach her at 480-228-0591. Here's some questions I want to discuss with you. I wanted some answers for our listeners, okay?
Okay.
Number one, how does your insurance needs change once you become a homeowner?
Well, Chris, once you purchase a home, you're looking at different coverages that you're going to need because obviously you have more assets. And at that point, you're going to want to make sure that your agent, whether it be myself or another agent, looks at your limits of liability.
Okay.
You might also want to look at purchasing a life policy. And also possibly an umbrella policy, which will protect you if in case you or anyone in the home is sued. If it comes back, you want to make sure you have this coverage so you do not lose your home.
Okay, let's talk a little bit more. Expand on the whole umbrella policy because we've talked about this off the show.
Right.
I know Tracy and I have talked about umbrella policies, but I want the listeners to truly understand what an umbrella policy is.
Okay, an umbrella policy, basically look at it as an actual umbrella covering over all of your liability assets. That would be your auto, your home.
Okay.
Covering also all drivers in the household. Everyone that's covered that lives in your house is going to be covered. And what that does is it gives you at least a minimum additional amount of $1 million on top of your current liability limit that you have on your auto and home. So what it's going to do is say, God forbid, your son go out, kills somebody while driving, and they come back and sue you because that child was only 17 at the time. You would have not only the liability limits on your auto policy, but you would also have that additional $1 million in coverage for your umbrella policy. And believe it or not, those are very inexpensive, anywhere from $200 to $400 additional a year. That's
a year for an umbrella policy.
That's it for $1 million
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Wow.
And most people don't know that it is that inexpensive.
Okay, so between $200 and $400 a year to have, how much was it? $3 million?
$1 million.
$1 million umbrella policy.
Correct.
Okay, that's a good reason to call Jodi right there.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
That's really not that much added to the monthly payments.
I feel an insurance blog coming on for the end of the show as well. You know?
I can feel it coming
good.
too,
Yeah.
and I'm not even going to be doing it.
We need to share that information to our listeners because that again,
Okay.
That's
awesome.
This is the insurance portion of home ownership. That's the real facts. You want to have that. This is Real Talk USA. That's what we're all about. Now, next question, Jodi. How much money can an individual save by bundling? I talk about it all the time. You're a portion of our show brought to you by every week.
Yeah.
Auto, home, and life bundle and save. So I know for me, I went from $550 a month in auto insurance, dropped that down to about $300.